Green manufacturing makes products with less waste, less energy, and less impact on the planet, while keeping performance, quality, and uptime high. At its core, green manufacturing focuses on using resources wisely, reducing emissions, and extending the lifespan of industrial and electronic equipment. One of the most effective strategies is repair and refurbishment instead of replacement, which saves materials, energy, and cost. By repairing critical electronics, manufacturers reduce landfill waste, lower carbon footprints, and keep production lines running longer. Green manufacturing also means smarter processes, efficient energy use, and data-driven decisions that improve reliability and sustainability. Extending equipment life reduces demand for new parts, cuts supply chain risk, and supports long-term operations goals. Green manufacturing is practical, cost-effective, and achievable today, helping optimize industrial environments while protecting tomorrow. Global Electronic Services repairs, sells, and services industrial electronics and pneumatic onboard electronics to support green manufacturing.